Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to add a card to Cash App. If you'd like to add a card on a Cash App application, if you'd like to cash out or send money to people, then you'll need to link your bank account on Cash App. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open a Cash App application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are, go to the building icon in the bottom left corner from the home page. From these options displayed on the screen, you can either link a bank or link a debit card by tapping on one of the options. In my case, I'm tapping on this link debit card option. Now, add a bank using your debit card by typing the debit card number in the text field. Once you do that, type in your expiration date for your card, type in your CVV number, and then type in your postcode. After you do that, tap on Next, and you'll be able to add a card on Cash App. That way you can add a card on Cash App if you'd like to send and receive money with friends and family and buy things or get paid with your Cash App. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.